Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In today's video, we will see the topic reverse of a string. So, suppose if you consider a string, let the string be Pawan. So, what is a string? A string is a set of characters enclosed in a quotation marks. Okay, so here Pawan is a set of characters. It is enclosed in a double quotation marks. So, it is a string. Now, we are going to find reverse of a string, right? So after reversing it, the output should be NAVAP. Okay, so here the last character should come at first, and second character from the last should come second from the first. Similarly, the first character should come at last. So this is how reversing of a string should be done. So here PAVAN is a original string, and after reversing it should be like NAVAP. So this is how we need to write reverse of a string. Now we will implement this same code in a Java. Okay, so this is the Java code that gives you the reverse of a string, and this code need to be written inside the main method because the execution of a Java code starts with main method, right? So now we'll see how it actually works. So I have taken a str, which is a variable of type string. In it I have stored a string hello. Okay, so it is having a three characters, right? And next I have taken another variable of type string. The variable is output, and I am keeping it as empty, so it is empty string, right? Now I have taken the for loop. So here int I equals to str dot length. So as we have seen in the predefined methods, str.length gives us the length of the string, right? So as we are having here three characters, so str.length gives you 3 minus 1. So I is equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2, because length is set number of characters, that is 3 characters minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, so I equals to 2. Okay, and then I greater or equals to 0, and then I minus minus. Now we'll see how it actually works. So at first I equals to str dot length minus 1, that is I equals to 2. Okay, then it checks for the condition 2 greater or equals to 0. Condition is true, so it enters into the for loop. Now what happens? Output equals to output plus str dot caret of 5. So as we have seen in the predefined method, caret of particular index gives us the character at particular index, which is the predefined method under the string class. Okay, so here what happens? Output is initially empty string, right? So empty string plus str dot caret of 5. So I value is 2. So I value is 2. So what we have at 2 index? 0 1 2, because index start with 0, right? 0 1 2. So we'll be having O, right? So O. So when we perform place between two strings, it concatenate, I mean it combines, so it becomes O. Okay, and O will be stored into output. Okay, so initially output is empty string, right? Now it will get updated to O. Okay, now I will get decremented by 1. So I initial value is 2, now it decremented by 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. Now checks for the condition 1 greater or equals to 0. Condition is true, enters into the loop. Output equals to output plus str dot caret of I. So output updated value is O, right? So output updated value is O plus str dot caret of 5. So I value is 1. So at first index what will be having? 0 1 L, right? So at one index we will be having L. So O plus L, which are two strings, as we are performing place, it comments both this. So output will be OL. So output updated will be OL. Okay, now I will get decremented by 1. Now I equals to 1 previously, now it will decrement by 1, that is 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. Okay, now checks for the condition 0 greater or equals to 0. Condition is true, enters into the for loop. Now output equals to output plus str dot caret of 5. So output updated value is OL. Okay, output updated value is OL, which is a string, plus str dot caret of I. So I value is 0. So to 0 index what will be having? 0 H. H will be having, right? So O plus H, sorry, OL plus H. Okay, now as we are performing place, it comments, right? That is OL. OLH. Okay, now update OLH will be stored into output. So output updated value will be OLH. Now I get decremented by 1. So initially we have 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now checks for the condition. Minus 1 greater or equals to 0. So condition is false. Once the condition becomes false, it comes out of the loop and execute this particular statement, that is system.out.println output. So output updated value is OLH. So it will give you output as OLH. So now you can see here the original string, that is str equals to HLO, and after performing the reversing, the updated output value is OLH, which is completely reverse of original string HLO. So this is how we need to perform reverse of a string in Java. So this is all about today. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.